I regret marrying you. I said, I regret marrying you.
What? It's such a big mistake in my life.
I don't care. I don't.
You ruined my life. I was in school. You fooled me.
I don't care.
I was in school, you ruined my life, you fooled me. Fuck.
So I wasted your future, I wasted your time.
Yes!
So, if I may ask, wait, baby, when did you ever have interest in education? When did you ever have interest in education? Come on, when?
Did you ever question my love for education? I was happy in school. You fooled me, told me you loved me, and brought me into this marriage.
Just know, I could have...
Could have what, Mark? Could have what?
Baby, don't dare me. I say don't dare me.
You're such a loser, Mark.
Baby.
You could have what? You could have what, Mark? You're such a loser.
Baby, don't call me that.
You are such a loser. What am I going to do?
If could have
what? Could have what, Mark? I was in school, you fooled me, you loser. Such a loser.
Don't ever call me that.
What would you do?
Don't.
What would you do? You're such a loser. You fooled me. I was in school. Now you say that you regret.
Enough! I wasted your future. I wasted your time. Pack your things and leave.
I'm not leaving.
You are leaving.
I'm not.
Leave my house.
I'm not. That's the last thing you should even think about.
You said I wasted your time.
I'm not leaving this. I'm not. You're wasting my time. I can't go back to school.
Okay.
I cannot. You married me. We are legally married. I am not leaving this house. Unless, Mark, you have another woman who's been unfaithful to me.
Stop that. You know what? If I had an opportunity, if I had a chance to kill you, I swear I would have killed you.
You don't mean that.
I mean it.
You didn't have me.
Fuck. Let me ask you. I'm leaving.
You're not going anywhere, Mark.
I said I'm leaving. Don't dare touch me. Come on, leave.
Okay.
Please, enough.
Mark.
You are so annoying.
Mark. Don't go. Mark!
Leave my hand.
Mark, don't go. We can fix the marriage. Okay, let's talk about it. Let's talk about Mark. Mark, don't go. Mark, don't go away.
What's wrong with you?
You didn't mean it, right? You should kill me. You don't mean that you would hurt me, right? You didn't mean that. You didn't mean that, right? You didn't.
Yeah.
You didn't mean that.
No. I couldn't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I can't fix it.
You're right. Can't fix this.